Hey everyone, so I decided to do one last look with this, and I'm gonna do the orange and yellow. I put the idol, I think these are called the idolize, in the yellow. This is the wet and wild one. Okay, that's good enough. So I'm gonna do the orange right there. The yellow is right below it. And just use the one I've been using all along for a highlighter. And then go into the gold glitter and put a little bit of that on. And that's it. Just let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I used my beautiful rocket. It's almost finished. I used it one summer a lot. Yeah. Use the regular blush and bronzers from the palette. Yeah, that's it. No news, except that Wet n Wild's trying to push their old fantasy makers, their leftover fantasy makers, for festival season. Not sure if they mean the summer, but I really hope they don't do fantasy makers again. That was just too much. So yeah, so that's it. See you guys next week. Mwah.